Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
From the Students tab, select Add Student. Click the box next to the search field you are using and enter the field data. SELPA best practice is to search by SSID. Click the Search for Student Records button. If the record exists, it will appear at the top of the page. Check the plan type and status. If the plan type is 200, ISP, make note of this as you will need this information later in the process. If the status says exited, review the exit code. Code 76 indicates the record was dropped as a transfer out from the prior LEA and should be requested. Click on the Request Transfer icon. Transfer request information fields with a red asterisk must be populated. The transfer from and to will auto-populate with the district requesting the transfer. The checkbox Do Not Update Student's District of Special Education Accountability should not be checked. Enter the date student enrolled at your LEA. This should match what is in your student information system. Select your LEA as the school of attendance. Assign a case manager from the drop-down. If the plan type on the record was 200, you will select Yes. Otherwise, the response is always No. Add a transfer comment for the receiving LEA if needed. Click the Request Transfer button.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.